how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your saved passwords from Password Manager on Google Chrome. So let's dive right in. You just need to open up your Google Chrome, and then you need to tap on the three dots on the bottom right, and then you can see Password Manager. Tap on it, and here you'll see list of all websites where you have saved the passwords. Just tap on one of the websites and you'll be able to see your username and password. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.